Good morning, Lolly. Good morning, we're home. We're home from our trip from Singapore. What are you doing? Are you typing? You like to type? You want to say hello to Aunt Tammy? Lolly's very good on the computer. Look what she just typed. Oh, it doesn't focus. Anyway. We're home from Singapore. All the toys that she has to play with. And this is what she wants to do. That is not nice. She's going to be a good typer. Okay. And if it makes a sound, it's even better. Okay. Say goodbye, Lily. Say goodbye. She's busy. She's watching TV. Bye. Say goodbye, Lily. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Okay.